Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this quick video, we're going to be talking about real methods that you can use to make money from Google sites. There's a lot of videos out there. Put up a quick Google site and you're going to make money. We all know that it has a DA of like 92 or 94 or something like that. So the domain authority from Google Sites is going to be high, obviously. Because it's a Google site, but it doesn't mean that just because you create a free website with Google Sites that you're going to actually make money. We need to find a real strategy that makes sense and sort of reverse engineer what's actually going on. Before we jump into today's video, I want to address a poll that I put out on my channel a few months ago. The question I asked was, how much money do you make online per month? I received 176 votes and an overwhelming 61% said they make $0 and they are still trying. The reason I created this channel, Teach Me Money Methods, was to help show people how to make money online and specifically with affiliate marketing. For those of you that are still trying to find that method or strategy to start making money online and finally build a real business online, I have something special for you. No, it's not some program asking you for $1,000 to start a business. It's actually free to start, then you can decide to pick up the full business package for just $25 per month. If you pick up the $25 package, you get the software and training you need in order to build a real business online and earn commissions like I am each month. Even better, it is filled with the most powerful, kind-hearted, selfless community on the planet. You can plug in to our weekly mastermind calls and learn from expert marketers just how to start making money online. Click the first link in the description to see what I'm doing these days to make 80% commissions, and the best part is, it is reoccurring, so you're building a stable monthly income. Now let's get back to today's training. So you can use Ahrefs, which I would recommend if you have a membership. I currently don't have a membership. I have before, but it is I think it's $119 per month for the lowest plan. But another tool, I have a lifetime deal too, that I paid about $300 and I get lifetime daily use out of it. And it does a lot of things that Ahrefs does. It probably doesn't have as large of a database, but still we're looking like right here over 9.3 million keywords that it's looking at. So it is probably the best, lowest price tool out there that is in comparison to SEMrush or Ahrefs. Now, you can use Ubersuggest for free as well, but eventually, if you're going to be using it for your keyword research, you're going to need to pay for a subscription. But their subscriptions are much, much cheaper, start around like $10 or something like that per month if you just want to go that route. So on with the strategy. So what we're going to do is you can actually go into Ubersuggest and you come over here to the keywords section, okay? And then you're going to go into keywords overview. You can actually go sites.google.com. It's going to pull up. So let's just go and do that real quick. So keyword right here, and then we just go sites.google.com, push enter, and look at this organic monthly traffic to these Google sites. There is 48 million monthly visits going to these sites, and it has a 97. So I was actually wrong. It's a 97. Amazing domain authority, obviously. And like what, 1.7 billion backlinks and organic keywords, over almost 26 million organic keywords. Actually does look like it's on a lower trend, a little bit less trend, but still it's really, really good. Now you can come through here and look at all these SEO keywords that ranking for it. Also, you can click on this button. It's going to take you to the keywords by traffic section. So all these keywords right here, look, United States English, 9.3 million keywords that people have free sites created on this, right? You can go and what I like to do is go to the SEO difficulty and click that. So we're only looking at difficulty of 35 or less. So it's even easier to rank for these types of keywords. So look at right here, there's a lot of games like Bad Ice Cream Unblocked, any of these Snowball IO Unblocked. It's very popular, these games, these simple games that are people are typing in, and they host them on here as well on these Google sites. Look, they get a lot of traffic and these sites are ranked number 1, right? So we can come and we can take any one of these, right? And here's one, Deep.io Unblocked, 720 searches per month, and the Google site is ranked number 1. So you could take this keyword right here, and you could go into Google, and you could just push enter right there, and you're going to see that this right here, IO Unblocked Games right here, is actually a Google site that is ranking. So once you come through here and you see that this site, this is free to create, right? This is a free site to create and host. Now what you could do is go and actually find some offers to put on this site. And when I click over here, now this is going to show Google Sites ranking. So we're not going to actually see how much this actual site is getting traffic, but it's getting traffic, ranked #1 for many keywords. So now what we're going to go and do is go and actually, and there's another one over here, unblocked games right here. We have Asteroid Game unblocked, and look at all these games that they have on here, massive amount of games. Now your job is to go out and over here on Digistore 24, you can actually go to their games and fun section, click on that, and you can come through here. If you were in the coloring book niche, there's adult coloring books right here to sell. There's a stand-up comedy Bible for sale. There's a Mind Rooms, Gray Countries, Classic Returns games, and then Combat Gaming Addiction. So those are some offers you could, and then you could also just go to all products, see what are good products or education or something like that, and then just see what is selling really good. Another thing that you can do is you can come over to Offer Vault and type in game or games. And you can see all these offers. You can go and affiliate networks, pay per call offers, mobile offers, traffic sources offers. And then look at all these different ones, like Lucky Tiger. These are different games. Shazam Casino, Energy Casino, and you would just want to go through here and find some different games that you could maybe get offers, and when people go and click on those games, then you would get paid just for sending traffic to those, right? You can also go over here to app. You could also test out some different apps and put those on your site for free. Now, I don't think you can run Google AdSense on a Google site. I don't know the answer to that, but I don't think you can run a Google AdSense. They're not going to let you on a free site like that. But you can put some links here and there throughout your free website that you have built, like over here, right? And we click on another one. And here's a game. It's loading. Now you could put a little link up here for people to click on to see if they want to go and get paid. You can make money for sending people to that link. Now, another thing that you can do is you could actually sign up as an affiliate to the Google Play Store, sending traffic over there for them when they download the game on their device. You can make royalties for that as well. So there's a lot of things you can do. You could also build your list by putting a link right here to give away something for free, or if you have a game that you want to give them away for free just for signing up to your email list, that you can then send offers for. There's so many things that you can do and so many different niches that you can go into. But this is what you want to do. You want to start with using a keyword tool and put in sites.google.com and then go and find different keywords. I just showed the gaming niche, but there's so many things that you could go into: mental health, motivation, all kinds of stuff. Like right here, the success maker right here. So this site is ranked. This search volume is 10,000 per month. Success Maker. If we go over here and go to Google and type in just the broad keyword Success Maker, you'd come down here and you'll see that there's a Google site right here ranked #3. We click on it and it's actually an educational site. What is Success Maker? It's a true adaptive learning for intervention. So you can actually use this even in your real business. Look, they have a real business site right here with videos and all kinds of different learning. So they're using it for education and different things like that. And you could use this as a resource and then also put some affiliate links in there or links to your product or your course or something like that. So that is my recommendation. That's how you make money from Google Sites, is you actually reverse engineer. Start with putting in Google Sites into your keyword research tool and find out what's actually ranking, right? Find out if it works in that niche and go in, and then you can create a similar site and start going after those keywords that are ranking. So that's it for this video. It's a very fast video for you today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. And if you're new to Teach Me Money Methods, I come up with new tutorials, reviews, and make money online strategies daily. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to click the first link in the description to get the free training which teaches you how to start an online business. If you got value from today's video, consider hitting that like button and dropping a comment below. See you next time.